Brad Hall right here, firing off one of those videos for you. And this is gonna be a good one because I got the Yeezy Season 6 Desert Boot. Really excited about this one. Wrapped in these really sleek garbage bags, but it's not garbage in here, it's a real treat. Inspired by this shoe. You can see the similarities in the upper. But look at this boot. I'm gonna put up some nice shots of it. Look at that, it's got nice shapes, nice curves. Really love that meshy upper. It's really thick and durable up there. Then it's got this thing. See that thing? That's a pretty nice thing. Feel how shaggy that is. Really nice on my fingers. The boots also come with this nice storage bag. 2 of them actually. I'm just gonna show you how it goes in. Boot, bag. It's that easy. It's got that 3M on the tongue. I love that. That's gonna be really helpful when I'm hiking those mountains and I get lost and people are searching for me with flashlights. This is where this shoe gets really interesting. I love the look of this sole. It's very chunky. It's gonna be hard to break in, but here's how you can break in these boots if you got a pair. The easiest, quickest way to break in a pair of boots, put it on someone who's got a lot of energy and also doesn't weigh a lot, so it's not gonna make any weird indentations in the sole. No shoehorn on these. They're so much bigger than his feet. So easy to get them in. On. One more, and then we're in. Dion, be careful with that football. Okay, Neon. And now we get him moving. Careful. Oh, actually, do you mind getting me the other pair? They're back up there.